We know that Angular links the value of the expression with the value in the controller, right? So we know that if we increase the amount, what's shown on the view is also going to increase. But that's not where it ends. There's actually a two-way data binding in Angular. So if we were to modify this value in our view with a form, for instance, an input field, it would also change the value of the model. So that's why it's called a two-way data binding. You can just work it one way like we did here, but you can also work it two-way, and that's what we'll do in this lesson. Let's add some input fields, and I'm going to put those in div containers. So I want to have one that's going to be for the description, type text, and I'm also going to add another one for the amount. Let's have it as a number field. You could also have something like a text area, which is going to be for the phrase. Now we have the fields here. How do we link these fields to these variables? We need to use the directive called ngModel. ngModel allows us to specify what model this particular field refers to. In this case, this one is going to be expense description. This one's going to be expense.amount. And this last one will be simply phrase. That's the name of the title. If we reload the page now, I forgot the R. See how automatically all of these fields are taking the value of their corresponding models, because we made it very explicit that this input refers to this particular model. What happens if I change it? If instead of food I write the Spanish word comida, which means the same thing? It changes dynamically. It's like magic. So that's two-way data binding in action. Basically, on one end, we're changing the view, and it's changing the model. And as the model changes, it also changes the view. What we're seeing here reflects the model, and this is modifying what happens in the model. This is extremely powerful. This is two-way data binding in Angular, one of the main concepts, main features, amazing features of AngularJS.